all the way back, but I decided to. So now I don't have close to enough flooring. For my garage, I think I'm going to do the hardwood and then just do like a protective layer, like gym flooring over it, just in case I want to change something later that I have the hardwood underneath it. But because of that, I don't have near enough. I need probably at least 2 more packages, maybe 3. But I'm going to get started anyway, then I'll have to do a Home Depot trip later. This is impossible to read, even with my readers. Not that I really care. I don't read instructions anyway. Hey folks. Okay, I wasn't gonna talk today. I'm having kind of a tough day in my head, so I was just gonna work on the floor. But I'm kind of amused by the band practicing in the other storage unit. So this is what I get to listen to all day. But as long as I'm on here, I'll talk a little bit and tell you what I'm doing. It's gonna be really obnoxious. But I am doing the floor today, and I'm a little frustrated because it's lining up pretty well, but every time I try to like hammer a piece in, the whole thing slides. So what I think I'm going to do is put a couple screws in the end pieces and hope it's all aligned so it won't move around so much on me. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm really liking the way the floor is looking, but it's just been frustrating because they keep sliding around, and then I have to pull some out and rehammer, and then some pop out. And so I think if I can stabilize the pieces on the end, I'll be better off. But I probably won't talk anymore as long as they're practicing. But thanks for tuning in. Leave any comments in the notes, and I should say I'm using Pergo laminate flooring. I can't remember the name of the pattern, but it looks really good. Pretty happy with it. So thanks for tuning in.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains.
My big power station to charge some of my devices and my Bluetooth, and just kind of watching and see how it's working. But here is, where is that bad boy? Whoops, wrong way. There it is. So using it to power my camera and Bluetooth. It's been charging for a while and it's at about 97%. Kind of curious to see how fast that moves down. I might actually try to run a saw on it too, and just to see how it does. But so far so good. All right.
Show me love.